Hey guys, welcome back to Android How To, and today we're going to save an image into the SD card. Basically an image in the drawable folder into the SD card. This over here is my drawable folder, and we are going to save G into the image called G into the SD card. So let's get started. First we'll create a bitmap. I'm going to call it image equal to bitmap factory dot decode resource, and the parameter is going to be get resource, and the name of the drawable that we want to obtain as the bitmap dot g in my case. Once we've done that, we have to find the path to the SD card. How do we do that? Well, file, I'm going to call it path equals environment dot get external storage directory. That's it. Now we're going to create a folder. Within the SD card where we can save our image. So to do that, file, I'll call it dir equal to new file, and the path at which we need to create the file. So path will take us to SD card. Now the name of the folder, which is anything you want. I'm going to call this save. Okay, after that, one more statement that needs to be written here is dir dot mkdirs. That should do it. That should create the folder. Now we are going to create another object, file. I'm going to call it file equals new file. Okay, the folder is dir, and the name, I'm going to change the name of the file, and I'm going to set this name of the file I'm going to save. That is, I'm going to rename g.jpg into something else. So it's going to be pebbles.png. So g.jpg is going to be saved as pebble.png. Okay, once that is done, let's begin with the output stream. Let's create an output stream. I'm going to call it out for simplicity and initialize it with null. And then let's start. Out is equal to new file output stream, and we have the object file. It's showing you an error because it is not enclosed within a try catch statement. So let's do that. Once that is done, let's compress that to a PNG format. To do that, image dot compress, and here bitmap, it's in bitmap state right now, so bitmap dot compress format dot png, because I've named it as pebbles.png, comma 100, and then the string, which is out in my case, and then flush, and then also close the string. So let's close the string. Okay, there's still an error because we need to generalize the catch statement. Once that is done, it's over. Now once this is done, we need to seek some permissions with the system to write into the external storage. That is done in the Android manifest.xml. So let's go to Android manifest, and we need to add a statement called users permission Android name android.permission.write external storage. Once this is done, it should work on any device working on Lollipop or below. For devices running from Marshmallow on, that is Marshmallow and Nougat, if you want your app to work even in them as well, you have to request for permission dynamically. And that is done like this: activity compare dot request permission. The first thing is the context, main activity dot this is my context over here, and the next one is going to be string array, new string array with the permission, which is manifest dot permission dot write external storage, and another constant. I've added a link in the description where you can check out how this works and how you request permissions dynamically and how you can check whether the user has allowed or denied the permission, etc. Well, for here basically to maintain simplicity, you're gonna allow the application. We're not going to deny it the permission. Now all that is left is to run the application. So let's go ahead and do that. Run the application, proceed. Just wait a second until the Gradle build completes. Once the Gradle build is completed, we can go ahead and it's launching. So let's see. So see, it has asked me for permission. I'm going to allow, and this should have done the job. Let's go check up the file manager and go, yeah. So it has created a folder called save right on top. And if you see inside that, we have a pebbles.png. So you have used your application to save something into the SD card. Now you can use it in different ways, like for saving images in response to button clicks or clicks on image views. Just put this piece of code inside the on click listeners or on item click listeners, etc. Hope you understood what I want to convey to you. Also, don't forget to look at the links in the description. They might prove to be really useful to you. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful to you.